Welcome. In this video, we will see how to load data from SAP ECC to SAP HANA using template tables in SAP Business Objects Data Services, that is BODS. The process goes as: first, create data stores for SAP ECC and SAP HANA. Second, import metadata from SAP ECC data store to BODS. Third, create data services job. Fourth, create template table for SAP HANA system. Fifth, execute data services job. And sixth, preview uploaded data. As we all know, access BODS from start, all programs. Under SAP Business Objects Data Services 4.0, click on Data Services Designer. Enter appropriate login credentials. Click on Log On. First, we will create a data store for SAP ECC server. Click on Create a Data Store on Start page. Enter name as per BODS naming conventions. For this session, we have given name ECC_DS. Select a data store type as SAP Applications from drop-down. Enter application server name. Now enter user credentials. Click on Advanced. Change respective system number. First click on Apply, then click on OK. As we can see, under Local Object Library, data store for SAP ECC is created. In other video, we have already seen how to create a data store for SAP HANA. Name for SAP HANA data store is HANA_DS. Now let us import tables from ECC data store to BODS. For that, drill down ECC_DS data store and double click on tables. Click on Search. From drop down, select External Data. Enter the name of the table you want to search. We are using MARA1 table, which we have already created for this example. Click on Search. Select the table. Right click on it and select option Import. Under Repository Metadata option, you can see the imported table. Now we will create a new project. For that, from Start page, click on Create Project. Give project name. We will give as ECC_HANA2. Then click on Create. Under Project area, we can see our project is created. Right click on it and select option New Batch Job. Give batch job name. We will give as a job_ECC HANA according to BODS naming conventions. As you can see, our batch job is created. Right click on it and from Contest menu select Execute. It will ask to save changes. Click Yes and then click OK. As you can see, our job is getting executed. At the end, we will see message completed successfully. Now double click on Job. In Workspace, drag and drop workflow object from Tool Palette. Rename it. We will give WF_ECC HANA according to BODS naming conventions. Again double click on it. In Workspace, drag and drop data flow object from Tool Palette. Rename it. We will give DF_ECC HANA. Double click on data flow. In Workspace, drag and drop the table MARA1 under ECC_DS data store. Now we will create a template table for target system, that is HANA in our case. For that, right click on the object MARA1, select Add New. From pop-up menu, select Template Table. In the Create Template window, enter the table name. We will give as MARA1. For in data store, from the drop down, select HANA_DS. Give owner name, click on OK. As we can see, our template table is created. If you want to see data of the table, click on magnifying glass icon. This will open a window below Workspace which displays data. Now join source table to target table. To see the table structure, double click on the object. This displays the table structure. Now click on Save All. Click on OK. Right click on the job and click on Execute. It will ask to save. Click on Yes and then click on OK. As you can see, our job is getting executed. This will create Mara1 table in HANA and loads Mara1 table data from ECC to HANA. At the end, you will see a message completed successfully. To preview uploaded data in HANA server, open HANA Studio. Right click on Tables and select option Refresh. Now drill down tables, we can see table Mara1. Right click on it and select Open Data Preview. Thus, we have successfully loaded data from SAP ECC to SAP HANA using template tables in SAP Business Objects Data Services, that is BODS. Thank you.